Now it's time to create the item or meals for each category that exists in a restaurant. And I will start by generating a new module called item. You can name it whatever you want, maybe dishes, maybe meals, maybe anything you want. And I will say PHP artisan make model item hyphen all. And as we know, it generates everything. And I will start with the model under app models and item here, and each item belongs to a category. So the first thing I want to say here, we have no guarded fields, and I will create a relationship for category, and I will say this item or belongs to here category class. And don't forget, for best practice, to add the belongs to return type, and I need to add return here. After that, I will open the items migrations, and I want to say here table foreign ID category ID, and that will be constrained, and each item has price inside decimal because maybe 3, 0 or more than or greater than 0 price, and also has name table string name, and maybe has a short description here, and it may be nullable. It's move the price to the end, and it's up to you. You can add soft deletes or not, but I will not add it here. After that, we will run artisan or PHP artisan migrate. It's migrated, and if we open our database, we will notice here we had our items table. After that, let's implement the migration or factory for it. I will say category ID will be category factory create to generate it automatically, and the name will be a random sentence here with length between 1 and 3 maybe, and also description will also fake sentence. Now let's try to generate some items, but first I need to run composer dump autoload. This is the same of dump autoload, by the way. For that, I will open Tinker, and by saying item factory create, I must fix this key here, category, reopen it, see it again. Also, we must add price. Price will be fake random, or even without using fake, we can use random directly here between 1 and 500. Regenerate it again, Tinker factory, and has been created successfully. Let's create, for example, 5 items for different categories. I think each time it will generate a category, but I want to create for specific category ID. I want to specify it equal to existing category, for example, is 21 or 8, right? Now if we back and check again, the category ID 8 has 5 items here. Let's check the relationship, or say item find, for example, 11 or 12, 11 here, and category. The relationship works correctly with category ID number 8, which is the same like in the database. Let's define a relationship as minus row for restaurants. But first I want to say here function items, and it has many, and I will say return this has many items for category model, by the way, here. And for restaurants, it has items through category. So we can say, let's try it, function items has many through, right? And I will say return this has many through, has many item class through category class. And now let's test it. So for example, here the category ID 8, right, belongs to restaurant 21. So when we check the 21 relationship or items relationship for that restaurant, it must return also all of these items. So I will say here artisan TI, Tinker again, and for restaurant find 21. Okay, find items. We have here 5 items, as we can see, using has many through relationship. So very quickly the initializing of item module. See you next video.